In this demo, I'll introduce you to the pan and zoom container module. And let's start off by installing the module on the gateway. Here I've logged into a freshly installed gateway. From the platform section, locate the System Modules configuration page. Click the Install or Upgrade Module button in the top right corner. Click Choose File and locate the module file. You'll have to accept the module certificate. By accepting the license, you acknowledge the terms set forth in the EULA. After installing a module, the 8.3 version of the gateway requires a restart. After the restart, we can head back into the module configuration page to verify the installation. The module is installed and has an active status. In this demo, I'll show the capabilities of the pan and zoom container component. We start off in a new project and we create a new view for a large SVG file containing a factory overview. The size of the SVG is 6,384 pixels by 3,566 pixels. Next, we drag the SVG file into the view. We create a new view for the pan and zoom container. Finally, we drag the pan and zoom container into the view and set the view size properties to the same as the original view. In the path property, we set the factory view. And now we're ready to preview. The users can now pan around the factory overview and zoom in or out. In the next part, we'll add some scripting to the view we've just created. I've added 3 buttons to the pan and zoom container view we created in the last demo. One is for selecting mode, another is for focusing on a specified area, and the last is for resetting the zoom. Let's see what each of them does. The mode button lets the user switch between panning and clicking. Focus on specified area allows the view designer to preset a specific area that the users easily can focus on. The reset zoom simply resets the zoom and pan so that the entire overview fits inside the view. Let's take a closer look at the scripts behind these buttons. For the mode button, we simply check which mode the pan and zoom container currently is in, then we set the other of the 2 modes. For the focus button, we set the area of interest properties and reset the view to the specified area. Let me show you how to get these numbers. With the designer and preview mode, we select the pan and zoom container. After focusing on the area we want, we can retrieve the values from the AOI props. For the reset button, we simply set the reset property to true. When working with large SVGs like this, we recommend using the SVG ID Resolver module. It allows you to detect exactly which part of the SVG the user clicked, enabling you to trigger pop-ups or other functions to that specific part. Let me show you. I've added the component to the row of buttons in the lower right corner. You can now get the ID of the part that the user clicked on, use it in your scripts. Thank you for watching these demos. For further information on the components used, please visit our website.